How to track international shipments Alibaba.com. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In order to track an Alibaba's international shipment, you have to log into your My Alibaba.com. So first of all, log into your account and tap on My Alibaba at the bottom right corner of your screen. Right on the section, what you need is you want to go to order details section. So basically you want to go ahead and look for the order details right on this section. And when you go to the order section, here it is, my order. You want to click that out, and then you want to find the tracking number in the shipment details. You can then use this tracking number on the carrier's website or use or a universal tracking site like a universal parcel tracking. Alternatively, you can track it on the Alibaba.com logistic tracking page as well. So what you need is just log into your account, then find my order, and then go to the tracking number, or the tracking number will be in the shipment details section, and you can use the number on the carrier website or a universal tracking site. And this way you'll be able to track international shipment on Alibaba.com. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.